We pull people off the street and ask them about their hearts.
How's your heart?
It's beating.
It's beating.
I really don't keep an eye on it.
My heart's pretty good.
You sure?
Yes, I think so.
How do you know? You're driving a car, you have the check engine light, but the heart doesn't have a hey, check heart sign. Have you had issues with the heart?
I have irregular heartbeats.
And I've got unbelievable news for you. I want to show you something. Take a look at this right here. This is called Kardiamobile. This device can give you a medical grade EKG reading in 30 seconds.
No way.
Yes, way.
Wow.
You got 30 seconds?
I've got 30 seconds.
Let's do it.
With Kardiamobile, the FDA-cleared personal EKG device, you can take a medical-grade EKG in just 30 seconds from anywhere. It analyzes your heart rhythm and lets you send results directly to your doctor.
Put both fingers right on those pads. There you go. In 30 seconds, we're gonna have a medical grade EKG reading. There it is. That is you.
Look at that.
That's your heart. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna hit this button for your results. Read that loud and proud.
No abnormalities were found in your EKG.
How great does that feel?
That's awesome.
Right?
Kardiamobile is proven to detect atrial fibrillation, one of the leading causes of stroke. Kardiamobile can also tell you when your heart rhythm is normal, giving you daily peace of mind.
How much do you think this device costs?
$500.
Probably 1,000.
$1,000? $99.
Wow, that's impressive.
For $99, you have peace of mind. It can tell you what your heart's doing at any given time. This device really puts your health in your hands. How great is it to have that peace of mind that anywhere, anytime you can check?
It would be nice to really see my own heart whenever I wanted to.
Kardiamobile puts peace of mind in your pocket for only $99. To order, visit kardiamobile.com. Also available on Amazon.